Which amplifiers are we listening to?
These are the 50 A's.
Kara with deHavilland. Hi, how are you?
Doing really well.
Good. What else is in the system?
Well, we start with the Carry 306 CD player, and then my Mercury 3 preamplifier, tube line stage. That's going into the T.H.E. 50A monoblocks, which are a similar design to the Fisher 1953 design, also by the name of 50A. And that's playing into the Sonist Concerto 4 speakers, 95 dB loudspeaker.
Yeah, that's good and efficient. Yeah.
And the source is a Ampex 351 transport with my 222 vacuum tube playback range.
So you're coming right off of the head, so you have the original heads in there?
No, actually it's a 4-track head.
Okay.
It's a Nortronics head.
So you got that rigged in there? Yeah, very cool.
It takes a little adapt.
Yeah, I'll tell you, the sound is really cool. It's very transparent and very true to the timbre of the instruments. And this is old tape too.
Yeah, this is state of the art. This is 30 to 15,000 hertz. But when you don't ruin the tone, it sounds like music.
Oh, there you go. T.H.E. from deHavilland. Thank you.
Thank you.